You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Does it mean you're losing all company? What are you doing with a character like Sopro? You sound as if you believe that tomboy. She made it up.
Really? But she said she caught both of you together.
She made us together. But we weren't doing anything. She hates Sopro. And she has been looking for a reason to punish him.
If this matter gets to the king, what will you say?
Who will take this useless case to the king? Or are you the one?
If I were you, I would stay away from Soporo. He might put you in trouble one of these days.
What kind of a life is this? No son to take over after me. What then is the essence of my being a king? Yes, Bridget. What is it? Who? Modesta from Warri? Let her in. Modesta! Is this you?
Yes, it is me, Modesta. Still the same Modesta.
How come? I mean...
At least, ask me to sit down.
I'm sorry about that, Modesta. Please sit. I was just too excited. So, where have you been and how did you find me? I wasn't expecting.
When you decide to find anyone, especially when the fellow is a king, it is very easy to find the person.
Modesta, don't flatter me, please. Well, it's so nice to see you, and I wasn't really expecting to see you.
Neither do I. I was never thinking of tracing a heartless man like you again, if not for one thing that brought me to this place.
Modesta, don't tell me you came all the way from Warwick to my office just to insult me.
Do you still remember the reason you abandoned me in Warwick back then?
I did not abandon you, Modesta. You tried to hook me up with a pregnancy I did not know the basis.
That pregnancy was yours. That child is the reason I am here. Eze Onyanosi, trust me. If not for the child that desire to know his background, to know who his father is, you wouldn't have seen me anywhere around you.
Does it mean I have a child with her? Does it mean that pregnancy was not a fluke to extract money from me as I thought?
I don't know what you're thinking about. Whatever you like, you can think about. But all I want to tell you is that pregnancy, I kept it. And the child has grown to be an adult and desires to know who his father is. That is why I am here, and I feel it is right to show him who his father is.
I'm actually excited about this. Where is the child, Modesta? Male or female?
Excuse me. He kept insisting he wants to meet with his father. I refused. But when I found out he was serious, I then gathered you eventually became the king of your place. Then he kept on insisting and troubling me that I must bring him to meet with you. I refused. Do you know why I refused? Because you are heartless. You are a wicked man. That is why I refused. Well, I can see I don't have a choice but to bring him to see you. His name is Zlatan. Zlatan, meet your father, Ezonyanos.
Zlatan. That's a nice name you have, my son.
So now you be my pale, eh? Now you be the pale. Now you be the pale wey knock my male, knock and left, right, center. Knock and finish, carry the white blood ready for your body, pour inside my male. My male can't chop me like that. So now you be the pale. Pale say, you be a soul work. You get shares, you get mine. Pale now people like you and I they boy rock and they drink am, so your shares go block. You don't understand? You wicked pale. You abandon me just like that too. Leave me for streets. Make her the worker for Amogono just like that. Eh? You know where Temepolo dey? Me work out for that side, work out for that street, they wash my leg. My leg not even gree shoot again. You understand? Pale, you get that too.
So, that is it. He will be living in the palace with us henceforth. I want all of you to see him as your brother, for that is who he is. And as for you, Namaka, I want you to take him as your son. I am very glad because I have finally gotten a son. A son who will take over from me.
That's right.
Modesta, I thank you. I want to thank you very much because you are a savior.
You don't need to worry yourself.
Thank you very much.
And as I promised, I will reward you handsomely. You will never suffer any lack onwards. The last but not the least, to my beautiful, eloquent princesses and daughters. I have decided to resume the payment of your monthly allowances. In fact, I am thinking of making it double. I'm very glad with what is happening now. I see it as a miracle. And I hope and believe that this miracle will heal old wounds.
It is.
I expect everybody to know. Welcome, Zlatan.
Mama, thank you very much. You know, I don't get my sister. My sister, Ma. Madam.
Come.
God bless you.
I'll phone my mom, see for grand.
Sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Can you behave yourself now?
Well, it's not in the joy of hearing.
Excitement.
I don't understand. I mean, this matter, this you not settle for my head. How can that boy be our brother? No, that guy cannot be our brother. You want to report him also, lie.
Mother, I don't get this. How is that guy our brother? Did you see the way he was looking at us? He is a complete stout and Agbodo. Can't be my brother, please.
My question is, are we sure that he is really our brother?
Of course he is.
Come to think of it, mother, you could have planned this whole thing with that woman.
Exactly. He is.
You think so?
Of course, yes. For your father told me about her some time ago. He is his son, your brother.
Lie. Me not feel relate to that guy as my brother. We not feel share this territory with that thing. This place never fair enter us. We walk up, must not they talk that this thing na arrange. We not fair get space, so we not feel share am.
Shut up, what is the matter with you?
They arrange this kind of matters now, you don't know. They arrange am. You want be priest, you want come shop where you not so. You not fit.
Shut up. What do you mean by that? Do you want to go against your father's orders? Listen to me, Tamara. You have to be very careful. Don't provoke the king.
now that he has a son that is so much desired. See, all of you should be happy that peace is going to reign in the palace now. As for that woman, she'll be leaving today, back to Warri. So there's no need to be mad. But mother, I don't want to listen to whatever it is you want to say. As for you, Chika, your father has accepted to restore your monthly allocation. None of you should just make a case out of this, Biko. Period.
Your Majesty, you look very happy. What is the good news? Oh no, Ajeme. What do you want? You want me to be sad? Not at all.
But you will agree with me that this is quite unusual of you. In fact, since you became king, to be honest with you, this is the very first time I'm seeing you happy like this.
What is the secret? What happened? Oh no, dead bulls shall rise again. Really? You're not putting the Bible for me. What exactly is going on? You will not understand. But very soon you will understand. Zlatan! Zlatan!
Vale. Why they far when they hear your ringy? I only hear your ringy as you get done. That's my show, I don't show.
Yeah, sit.
It's a marker.
Sit.
Marker. Paul. Alafa.
I told you not to be calling me that Pale. Or Pale. Just be calling me dad or father. Or whichever one is convenient for you. But not
Sure.
Oh no. Meet my son, Zlatan.
Your son?
Yes, his mother brought him some days ago. Actually, his mother is someone I dated many years ago when I was still in Warri.
No. My man, I don't like the way you shook. You like the way you shook. That man, he shook and scatter.
Recently, she brought him back. You will not understand. It's a very long story, but you will get to know later. Zlatan. So
She brought
that's
the formula.
That's my son, the future king of Ifitani Kingdom.
Why they call me like sardine when no done? I don't grab it. You got to call me like say I no done. Why they call me like that? But who be this mango, sir? Mango? Mango.
No, put that some respect. This is, you know, is the prime minister of this kingdom.
So this beads with this guy man rock, eh? So all this bead with this mango rock, eh? They get dot. You see this bead, eh? Original. If you cargo na pure cargo na in the hand like that too. If you cut the hand into two, nothing that happen.
This is, you know, is the prime minister of this kingdom. You need to show him maximum respect.
No, pale. See, I know they for that kind of play. Now me be maximum himself. You know understand? Anytime I they show them the clear road, why are they cut? Na me Z. You understand? That's how I been. I just like that. Nothing they shake, nothing they pound. You see this guy? Go lawyer.
You know what I'm saying is that he's the second in command.
Loyalty na today bread though.
Zlatan is do you know who is the second in command?
That's the original beast there in the rock now.
So, oh no, we don't have that. This
Pale, this guy forever.
let me go and call the guy. So, me, I don't know, so that we can have a meeting.
Yes. No shaking, no shit. I'll call the person who say man come. No shaking. Bro, sure.
Call the guy so that he can bring me.
I don't shake, I'll call her and I'll go holla. Oh, the pure, everywhere with the flare,
So that land that we were talking, he said
Something mightier than lands. Your son?
You ask for the reason for the happiness. Children of nowadays, sometimes you don't, you know.
See my man.
What's he like?
Over
level.
I don't tell now. I don't tell say me I know my full self. I know my full self. I know self. I go be something. Now no be me be this. No be me be this. See the maximum. Now I don't content prince for this kingdom. You understand? I tell us so you go baby. See, if I dey work out for this area, if I dey work out for the ama, that's so good. This look me. The good look me. The shy. See, you see for this area, for this ama, as I dey work out, that's so they look me like nail television. They look me as I be nail television. Everybody they watch. You know say if you go for that nail television, you go to see things. You saw this Nigerian movie the way they watch, you go to see inside there. That's so it be me. If I don't catch it, just see me and say, I be this Nollywood. That nail television where they talk and they go to watch. They're gonna watch me. I go to show you. The area that's why everybody could just give me my way. They give me my way. That's my area now. You know, now they go sing this song. Now my area be this so. This is Amana, that's how I don't compete.
Hey, claro for you. Fresh.
I just fresh.
See on the glass.
No be necklace now, bead.
They don't call her necklace.
They call her
necklace.
bead.
No be necklace. They call her bead.
Your bead.
Meanwhile, you know some my pale, my pale don't old, I don't go soon kick buckets. You sir, you make my pale kick buckets now, na me na zie the Massimo now, na me na go be the king of this kingdom. That time you see all these people they stand for my palace, old people, all of them. I go knock that, I go discharge them now. That's why I go call first euro for a week. Don't show.
Show down.
Go show. That's where I go show.
Travel.
No, go show. Don't say you be like Yankee now. Hold up.
Levels.
The girl man go when they come from my palace side there for the left there.
They call him no.
I no one know.
Go follow.
No go follow. You see that palace, that man go we go get to discharge her. You know what I'm saying? But no, we're not going to follow. You know what to go down? We'll call First Row will come with our gangs there, all those days there. When they're sure, we'll go get that man there, come put her for one room. You understand? Come give the six shika them, me they go knock her. They go knock her.
See the man.
We feel record down. We go record our system for that. We go fit for that place.
You just
You can never make the money now. All I want to raise my kingdom. You understand?
You guys
Maximum, see the maximum. But when I go put that sort you. You know say, as per the don't kick bucket, now me now come be the king, yeah. Then as I come, when I come put that, King Z the maximum.
King Z
the
maximum.
That's fucking that time. And there's zero yard for your body. I don't bring you that fucking that time. And there's zero yard for your body.
Well, babe, like I told you, I'm expecting the goods by weekend.
Oh, sweetheart, I'm so happy for you.
God has indeed been faithful.
Because God is indeed great. I'm happy for you.
Thanks, darling.
Now guess what?
What?
I want you to guess. You know you're my gossip mate.
Wait. Gossip mate indeed. You know you turned me into that.
I agree. Now guess.
Look, I can't even.
Yes. Okay. We now have a brother.
Now I have a brother. How?
Well, a woman brought a young man, and my father has accepted him as his son.
By way of adoption or what?
No adoption. Well, my father said he had an affair with the said woman many years ago. And as I speak to you this moment, the guy is already living with us in the palace as the prince.
I still don't get it.
I know it sounds confusing, but that is the latest news. The worst part of it is that the guy is a junkie. He was smoking with his scout friends before I came here.
Sincerely, I don't know what to say.
Well, I understand. You don't have to say anything. Well, somehow I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy because it has changed my father. He's now happy and cheerful, and he has promised to start paying our suspended monthly allocation.
No, really?
Yes, really. I see why I'm happy.
Tell me, this your brother,
Chiamaka, I'm happy that you answered my call. Answered my call. Please accept my condolences on the early exit of your brother. Take this.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. But what is the money for?
This is just for you and your mother to do whatever you want to do, especially this time when expenses are high. As for the money I was owing your father, I will personally bring it to your house in the next 2 days. In the meantime, manage this little one.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. But we don't need the money again. Not even the one you're offering me now. We are fine. Thank you.
Are you sure? So, what do you need then?
Nothing, Your Majesty. Now that I know why you called me, I think I'll leave now.
Really?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Whatever man shows you go reach someday. That's why no peace in the jungle, in the jungle. You see no peace for the wicked. I say no place to hide.
But I told you never to go.
Mama only obeyed our king.
He is not a king. He is a murderer. So finally he has agreed that he is owing your father money. After he has killed my only son. After killing Ejike. Hi! It will never be well with you. It will never be well with you. Ah! Ejike. Ah!
You are the one that employed us, and we are answerable to you.
Tell us exactly what you want, and we will do it.
Yeah, tough, man. My cabin, my kubiki, my room, one can not even understand the shit. You understand me now? So I don't want to go tidy them because they can't sleep. I won't sleep for me, eh? No, let me nice, Abby. You understand? So man, go.
Will you come back here? What is wrong with you? Can't you see I'm with them?
This is the way they talk. I've been a statement. I've been waiting. Eh? For this town, for this hammer. Come on.
Will you stand here? Listen to me, you young man. That we accepted you here does not give you the right to do whatever you like. Nonsense. Can't you see I'm with them? I have something to do with them. When I'm done with them, if you want them to do anything for you, you take them. But right now, they are with me.
I talk them. I know say this kind of thing go stop. You don't understand? I don't say it go stop and I type and I say thing go stop. You understand? I think on the stop now. You say it doesn't do that. Maybe they just go tidy my room and I go crash and I they get all these plenty things.
Shut up and get out!
Stop working for free, but I don't understand.
Nonsense. Speaking rubbish language.
No, where this language for Paul. That's all they don't go talk on. If we don't talk, I don't do one. I don't understand.
My one tout, one useless fine boy, no manners.
We are sorry, Your Majesty.
It's all right. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by that tout.
How dare he, mother? How dare he? What the hell does he think he is? Who is he say he be? Who be mama? Who born am? In fact, why? Mopsy, leave me! Please, leave me, man! Leave that guy for cup!
No, now. Please, don't confront him, please. I beg you.
Why should I not confront him? Why should I? Tell me, give me a reason.
See, it has not come to that yet.
Okay. We should wait until it gets to that. Momsy, leave me!
Tamara, listen to your mother. Please, calm down. Come. See. Let's not start all this now. You see, it's obvious he's an illiterate. You don't need to join issues with such a character. Please.
Momsy, make him not lose guard, oh. He go query.
I know now. I sabi you, but he knows sabi you now. Baby.
You're looking so beautiful. You're looking very beautiful. Princess Chica. What are you doing? Calm down. Just calm down. Okay?
No!
No, wait! No, wait! No, stop it!
David, look, I am sorry.
What's wrong with you?
David,
What the hell is wrong with you, Ebuka?
I am sorry. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry, David. I'm sorry.
You're sorry. No, Ebuka. You are not sorry. Ebuka, you are sick in the head. You just messed up. And you went ahead to do something that is far worse. Ebuka, you have killed us. That is what you've done. You have killed us.
I didn't know. I didn't know what came over me, okay? I didn't want to. I never wanted to.
Shut the hell up! Shut up!
David, look, I didn't mean to. I never intended to. I'm sorry.
I said, shut up. Shut up!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know what came over me.
Who is the young man? Who is he? I need to get him arrested. Immediately.
This is all my fault. My goodness, this is all my fault.
I don't understand though. This matter never still pure for my head. Person forcefully shine my sister Congo. Now still sit down here. We supposed to dey road, no go track the idiot. Now what do they here they do? I don't understand. What's up now? What be the nigga? Why we still sit down here? No track the idiot, no go track him. Why we still dey here?
When they stop. So all of that kind of what happen? I want to hide the red like red label. What happened?
Serious matter dey here. Me quiet your mouth. Close your teeth.
Pale don't kick bucket.
Now you kick bucket. What are you going to talk rubbish?
All of them don't kick quiet like this. And a rubber bucket that man will kick.
What is going on here? What is wrong? Why are you crying? I just asked the question. What is wrong?
Chica was raped.
What?
Pale, use wisdom. Pale, use wisdom. This wisdom. Use up. Pale, use wisdom.
Will you shut up your mouth, you stupid useless boy?
Malena, wisdom. So all of them don't they cry in here. Now don't they cry, they find river, they cry in here. Now mate there for we for warrior. If you go for streets, you go see these people there, they smoke exhaust pipe. The hot one we don't red, Volkswagen own. Now there they misbehave. All these things, whether I climb or no climb, you don't go worry, but don't shock. Come on, calm down, tell me. Tozo, what's happened? Now for bed, when I say motor, now the guy knock am.
Mama, say something. The young man that defied your daughter must not go unpunished. Say something, Your Majesty. Your silence is killing me. Your Majesty, I'm begging you, please say something. I'm dying here.
What a man will do is buried deep in his heart.
You see no peace for the wicked. I say no place to hide. Cause anything you do for yourself. Anything you plant, you go reap for yourself. That's all it is. That's all it be. That's all it be. That's all it is. That's all. Anything you do, you go reap someday. Whatever you do, you will reap someday. Anything you plant, you go reap someday. I'm the one you try, you gonna go run away. You gonna go run away. You don't fit run away. I say you know me run away. You know me run away.
I know what this means. When you return immediately, the mission is accomplished. I am that king that all mortals will continue to fear. Challenge me and you'll meet your ancestors.
No peace for the wicked. No place for the wicked. No peace, no peace, no peace.
I think you're crazy. You are just mad. Get it in your head. Mind yourself. What is wrong with yourself? Mind yourself. Respect yourself. And maintain your boundaries. Your father bought you a car. Do with it anyhow, any way you want. But please, stay away from my car. Don't touch my car again. This is your last warning.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.